We'll guide you through how to conduct deep research with ChatGPT using the latest methods and features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, start a new chat and specify your research topic clearly. Type in a detailed question or query related to your topic. For example, if you're researching climate change, you might ask, what are the latest studies on the impact of climate change on Arctic wildlife? This helps ChatGPT understand the depth you're looking for. Once you receive the initial response, dive deeper by asking follow-up questions. You can ask for sources, request more detailed explanations, or inquire about specific studies. Mention, for instance, you can say, can you provide more details on the study about polar bears? Or what are the key findings of the latest IPCC report? This iterative process allows you to peel back layers and gather detailed insights. You can also ask ChatGPT to summarize complex papers or articles, which is helpful if you need a quick understanding of lengthy documents. Additionally, consider asking for recommendations on further reading or other resources. You might say, can you suggest some recent books or articles on this topic? Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to help guide your research, but it's always a good idea to cross-verify the information with trusted sources. This method allows you to leverage ChatGPT's capabilities for comprehensive and nuanced research. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.